Good morning, students. Today we are going to start question number 3 of the exercise 14.3. This is a question given to you. Find the area of quadrilateral ABCD in which diagonals BD is given as 14 centimeter and perpendiculars from the vertices A and C is given as 10 centimeter and 14 centimeter respectively. This is a diagram given to you. This diagonal BD diagonal is given. These two heights are given. Okay, means H1 H2 is given and D is given. So you just have to find out the area of quadrilateral in this question number 3. It is very simple. So let's start with the solution. H1 is given 10 centimeter, H2 is given 14 centimeter, D is given, this D diagonal is given as 14 centimeter. Now apply the area of quadrilateral, that is equal to half multiplied by D into H1 plus H2. Okay, now half multiplied by, put the values of D, H1 and H2 and here 14 multiplied by 10 plus 14 will be there. 14 multiplied by, you have to add these two values, it will be 24. Now cancel it, so answer is coming in 168 centimeter square. Okay, diagonal is given, H1 H2 is given, and you have to find out area of quadrilateral. Just write down the correct formula and put the values in the formula one by one and take out the answer. Now similarly, question 4 is there. They have given that the area of quadrilateral is 140 centimeter square. The height on the diagonal the height on the diagonals are 6 centimeter and 8 centimeter. Find the length of corresponding diagonal. Means a figure is not given in this question. You have to draw by on PQRS. I have drawn one quadrilateral. Here this MS is height 1 and QN is height 2. These two are already given in the statement. This is a diagonal PR which is not given. Okay, and area of quadrilateral is given. Area of quadrilateral given, H1 height given, H2 is the second height that is given. Diagonal D is not given. Diagonal D is not given. Okay, so write down area of quadrilateral, half multiplied by D into H1 plus H2. Okay, now put the values one by one. Area will come here is equal to 1 by 2 into D into 6 plus 8. Both are the heights. Now add these two and cancel it. Shift 7 into the left hand side. It will come in the denominator. Now cancel it. So D is coming 20 centimeter. That's it. Okay. So this is the question number 4 in which both heights are given. Area is given. Diagonal you have to find out. Okay, you have to apply same formula which you have applied in the question number 3. Okay, area of quadrilateral. Put the values and take out the answer. Okay, now there is a last question number 5th. As I've told in the class, in this question, this is a figure of the question. Okay, so in this AE is given, this complete AE. This complete AE is given as 140 centimeter. RM is given, AO is given, AM is given. Okay, so what you have to do, you have to find out the area of this complete figure. You have to split the figure into several parts. Suppose this will be your first trapezium. This will be your first trapezium. Okay, this small triangle will be your second figure. Okay, this trapezium will be your third figure. This one is the fourth figure, which is area of trapezium, and this is the last figure, which is a triangle. So find out area of triangle. So here you have to find out area of 5 shapes. First shape, this shape is a trapezium, this is a triangle, this is a trapezium, this is a trapezium, and this is a triangle. Okay, so whatever the things are given and whatever the things are not given, you have to find out side by side. Okay, now let's start with this question. In this question number 5th, this is the figure which is given to you in the statement. Okay, in this figure, this complete AE is given. AE is given as 140. Okay, these are the things which you have to find out. Okay, so I'm going to mention it one by one. Okay, and then you can go with the formulas. Now here I have taken out FG. FG is not given, but FG is equal to RM. RM is given 80, so FG will also be equal to 80. Got it? First two steps. Next is FR is 50. FR is 50. Okay, this was given. AE was already given. Okay, this is also given. FG, RM is given, so FG will be equal to this. FR is given. Where is FR? FR is given as 50. RD is given again 50. AO, where is AO? AO is given as 70. AO is given as 70. Okay. Sorry, OC is given as 70. This is OC. CO. OC is given as 70. AM is given as 40. This AM is given. Some are given in this. Yeah, AO is given as 70 and AM is given as 40. Some are given in the statement. So this was AO only. Sorry. It is given in the statement. AO is given. These all things are given. Okay. Now you have to find out OM. How you will find out OM? OM. So OM is equal to AO minus AM. AO minus AM. You know the value of AO. You know the value of AM. So you just put the value and find out the value of OM. OM will be equal to AO minus AM. It is very simple concept. Okay. If you want to find out this much height, this complete height is given and this height is given. This complete is given and this is given. You have to find out this. So I will not tell you this simple basic thing and how you can take out the length of this much small height. If complete is given and this much is given. Okay. Because the concept is from the complete height you have to subtract this height and you will take out the height of this small length. Okay. So similarly you do the same concept in this OM. Okay. These all things are given to you. These all are given to you. Okay. Now OM you have taken out. Now where is MN? MN also you want to find out. What is MN? MN is AM minus AN. AM is given, AN is given, so you can take out the value of MN. Okay, that's it. Now ER. Where is ER? ER you don't know. Yeah, this I have told in the class also. ER you don't know, but you know complete. Complete is AE. AE you know. Okay. From AE you have to minus AR. AR. And what is AR? AR is AM plus MR. AM plus MR. AM is also given, MR is also given. You have to add these two and subtract from 140 and you will take out the answer of ER. This is 20 centimeter. Okay, now let's move to the OR. OR is OR. This OR is equal to MR minus OM. MR is given, OM also you have taken out. Now you can take out the answer of OR from here. Okay, it is 50 centimeter. Now what is ON? ON is, this is ON. ON is equal to OM plus MN. And both you know, the value of OM also you know, MN also you know. Put the value and find out the value of ON. It is equal to 60 centimeter. Okay, these all are the things that you have to take out first of all. Now let's start with the first figure. It is area of trapezium. First is this. Okay, the formula is half multiplied by A plus B into H. Half multiplied by A is your A is this complete AE and B is your FG and height is FR or GM, anything. Okay, now put the values. So after putting the values in the formula you can take out the answer of area of first trapezium. This is coming 500 5500 centimeter square. Now next is area of second figure, that is triangle. This is the second triangle, this one, second triangle. Okay, formula is half into base into height. This is base and this is height. ER, just now you have taken out the value of ER. ER is here. You have taken out the value of ER, that is 20 centimeter. Okay, now put in the formula. Half into base into height. Half into base is RD and height is ER. You have taken out the values and put in the formula, take out the answer of area of triangle. Okay, now next is area of third figure. Third figure is area of trapezium, which is this one, this trapezium. Okay, formula is half into A plus B into H. A you know, B you know, H also you have taken out. Now put in the formula. Okay, put in the formula and take out the answer. Fine. Next is the fourth trapezium. Next is the fourth figure, that is trapezium. Which one? This one. Fourth figure. Again here formula is half multiplied by A half multiplied by A plus B multiplied by H. H also you have taken out. You have taken out L or H. Okay. Now put all the values in the formula and take out the answer of fourth trapezium. Now next is the fifth figure, that is triangle. This one, last one. This one, small one. This one. Formula of area of triangle is half multiplied by base into height. This is base, this is height. Base is also given, height is also given. Just put into the formula 10 into 50 divided by 2 and cancel it and take out the answer, that is coming 250 centimeter square. Last step is find out the area of complete figure. How will you find out the area of complete figure? That will be equal to, you have to plus all the values of areas. You have to add all the areas. First trapezium, second triangle, third trapezium, fourth trapezium and the fifth triangle. Okay, add all the areas, answer will equal to 12850 centimeter square. Fine. So this is the last question of this exercise 14.3. First two questions we have discussed in the previous lecture. These three questions we have discussed today. So now do your work, do complete your practice notebook and your fair notebook regularly, and I'll check the notebooks in the next week from Monday onwards. Okay, awesome blossom section, you have to submit the notebooks on Monday, and Florence and Olives, you have to submit the notebooks on Wednesday. So please do complete your work sincerely and carefully, and by tomorrow we'll discuss doubts in the class. If you're having any doubt in this chapter, please go through from this all the questions and we'll discuss the doubts in the class by tomorrow. Take care. Bye bye.